the last bit in this then, I kind of should have added this on the end of the last one, is how we make aspirin. So here's aspirin, and there's, I mean, like all drugs, they all come from kind of things that have been passed down, and salicylic acid is something that was once come from some sort of tree bark that you were told to chew if you had any aches or pains. And as chemistry got better and better, we noticed it was salicylic acid that was responsible for the pain relief. And of course, as time has gone on, we found a better drug to do that, which is aspirin. But it does come from salicylic acid and its reaction with ethanoic anhydride. You could, if you think about it, do with the acid chloride, because this is just a derivative of a carboxylic acid, okay? So, and if you kind of remember how all of this works, we cut at this point here, so that's the derivative part. We cut at this point here, so the bit in red is what our other product is, which is this thing over here. And then we join that oxygen there to that carbon there, which gives us this molecule here, which is aspirin. Now, the thing about both acyl chlorides and ethanoic anhydride is they are both extremely reactive, a lot more reactive than the carboxylic acid. So when we make esters, a better way of making esters really is by using the acyl chloride or the acid anhydride. Firstly, we don't have an equilibrium, and secondly, it happens very, very quickly. So we get 100% ester and we get it very, very quickly. A common exam question is, why do we choose to use ethanoic anhydride over the acyl chloride? Remember, the acyl chloride forms HCl fumes, which when it dissolves in water forms hydrochloric acid. So you get this kind of choking gas that is given off as the gas dissolves in the water in your mouth or your throat as you're breathing it in. It gives you this choking effect. It's a really common exam question. It comes up pretty much every year, and it's one that's well worth remembering. This is a required practical, which obviously we'll do when we're back in college. Okay, so in terms of that, I think that is the end of this unit of work. Yeah, that is the end.